This video on the FARGO HDP6600 card printer demonstrates how to replace the print ribbon sensor. Switch off the printer using the power button. Disconnect the power cable. Open the front panel. Pull out the ribbon drawer. Using a Torx T10 screwdriver, remove the screw holding the print head assembly in position. Pull the print head away from the ribbon drawer. Disconnect the data and power cables from the print head. Pull the print head away from the printer and then disconnect the last set of cables. Remove the two screws securing the ribbon sensor to the print head. Remove the remaining securing screw from the side of the assembly. The ribbon sensor assembly can now be removed from the print head mounting bracket. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.